The first sentence is how to say her reputation is perfect in an advanced way. She has an impeccable reputation. She is a quintessential example of perfectness. The other ways to say the same sentence in advanced ways are her reputation is flawless. Her reputation is ideal. She is out and out example of perfectness. Her reputation is exemplary. The second sentence is how to say he became rich by criminal activities in advanced. He became rich by nefarious activities. He became rich by heinous activities. Such other words can be used. The words are atrocious, vile activities, atrocious activities, iniquitous activities. These are the words that can be substituted in place of criminal activities. The third sentence is all people were tricked into thinking about the matter. The same in advanced would be all people were hoodwinked into thinking about the matter. The other words and phrases in advanced way include all people were misguided, duped, deceived into thinking about the matter. All people were led up the garden path. This is an idiom which means to be duped or deceived. All people were taken for a ride. Taken for a ride also means the same, to trick. And they threw dust into the eyes of the people. It also means the same. Thank you.